In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to park a Godaddy domain. Whether you're looking to reserve a domain name for future use, or simply want to make sure it's not being used by someone else, this process is straightforward and manageable. By parking your domain with Godaddy, you reserve your chosen domain name while getting the chance to include a simple web page that either provides contact information or hints at what you might do with the domain in the future. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to log into your Godaddy account. Open your browser and navigate to the Godaddy website. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner. Once you've clicked on that, enter your username and password. If, for some reason, you've forgotten your login details, don't worry, there are options available to retrieve or reset your information. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the account dashboard, which is your control hub for all things domain related. Once in your account dashboard, locate the Domains tab. This will present you with a list of all the domain names you own. Scroll through to find the specific domain you'd like to park. It's essential to pick the right one, so take your time if you need multiple domains. Now, click on the domain name you wish to park. Doing this will lead you to another page where you can see various options for managing your domain. Look for the DNS or Manage DNS option. Clicking this will take you to the DNS management page of your selected domain. DNS settings can seem overwhelming at first, but for parking purposes, you'll only need to focus on a few things. On the DNS management page, you'll want to check the settings, particularly the name servers section. If your domain is pointed to external name servers, you'll need to change these to Godaddy's default. This ensures that the domain is on Godaddy's server, properly setting it up for parking. You can do this by selecting Use Default Name Servers. Once you've made this change, be sure to save your updates, though note that it can take a few minutes or even hours in some cases for changes to take effect. After your name servers are correctly set, return to your domain list. Select your domain again, and this time look for the Forwarding section. Here, you'll find a Parking option. Clicking it will begin the parking process. After confirming your selection, your domain is officially parked. It now means that while the domain points to a placeholder web page, it's reserved solely for your use. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully parked your Godaddy domain. Remember, parking doesn't offer website functionality, but it's a great way to keep your domain secure and ready for future projects. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful guides just like this one.